Let's rock and roll. Oh shit. Torque it down to 30 foot. Click, 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 click. Perfect. Swipe it down real quick. Don't think we need brake cleaner on this one. Very clean already. The STS magnet. Slide it in. If you're interested in the magnet, link in bio, use my code for 10%. Let's drop this bad boy. Alright. 0W16, that's exactly what we have here. 0W16, baby. That thing looked like water. Should take about 4.8 quarts. Calculation here. Yeet. Alright. Alright. Okay. She's a hybrid, so let's start her up. I'm gonna hit the gas because she's a hybrid, obviously. Alright, we're gonna reset the oil light here. Reset data, yes. Reset complete. Hell yeah, let's go. Alright, let's check on the stick. Make sure we have a proper level. Turn the lights on. We got people screaming in the back. Alright, we're golden, baby. Right on the dot. Hell yeah, let's go. Alright, that boy's ready for another 5,000 miles.